Welcome to Cengage Learning's video on managing your gradebook in MindTap for mathematics, statistics, and physics. This is an installment of the Digital Course Support self-training video series for instructors. Our agenda for this video is to guide you through the steps of viewing your gradebook, setting up your gradebook, and editing student scores. When you first open MindTap, you will see a bar graph to the right of the learning path which provides an overview of the current class performance, showing how many students fall into each grade range. It's a quick view to see how students are doing overall. To view the gradebook, you have two options from the learning path. Click View Gradebook and Analytics directly underneath the class performance chart, or click the Progress app in the app dock on the far right-hand side of the screen. The Progress app and Gradebook will open and you will see the Gradebook as the default page. The default Gradebook view provides a preview of the current overall grade for each student. You also see an overview of the class with number of students, class average, and points available to date. When you expand the Gradebook, you can see the full grid view. This way, you see all of the assignments that have been placed on the learning path, including homeworks, pre-course assessment, and quizzes. In the grid, you can see points possible for each assignment and click on the assignment for specific information. Underneath each assignment, you will see the student scores for it. Currently, you are seeing it in raw points. If you click on Display Settings, you can change the view to percentages along with other display settings. From this Gradebook screen, you can directly edit scores by toggling the Edit Scores button. When it is turned on, you can click on a particular score and enter the new point or percentage value. Just as in a normal Excel spreadsheet, you can use the Enter and Tab buttons on your keyboard to navigate between scores. When you are done entering scores, you may toggle back off. Now when you go back and click on the score, you may see the edit history and edit the score again if necessary. This is also where you may grant due date extensions for specific students. Click on the calendar icon next to the due date, select a new date for the individual student, and then click Done. The change will be displayed. To add a comment for the student, click Add a Comment. Type your message to the student and click Post Comment. This will be shown to the student. You may then close out of the individual score using the X. Additionally, within this screen, you can filter and jump to different assignments and students. From this drop-down menu, you can see which students fall in specific grade ranges and customize the ranges if you prefer. This search bar allows you to find certain students easily. To email a specific group of students or the whole class, select the checkbox on the top left of the gradebook or select individual checkboxes next to the names of students you want to email. Click the Send Email button to open a new email. To filter assignments, click on the Filter Assignments button at the top and then narrow down the results by due date, type, or category. To set categories for your gradebook, click on the Categorize tab at the top. Here, you can add your own categories, including non-MindTap activities, such as class participation or in-class exams, weight categories, and drop the lowest score in one or multiple categories. This is also where you may set the number of low scores to drop in each category. To add a category, such as homework, click Add Category at the bottom of the screen. You can customize the category names to be anything that suits your course setup. Once categories are created, you can drag an assignment from the right into one of these buckets. This includes non-MindTap activities. Once added, you can always remove an assessment from a category or delete the category altogether. Back on the Gradebook tab, you will then be able to view assignments by those categories through Display Settings or filter for just one through Filter Assignments. Finally, you may import to and export from the Gradebook by clicking on Gradebook Actions at the top right. When exporting, you can choose from various formats, including certain learning management systems. Thank you for taking the time to review this self-training video. We hope you found it helpful. Please make sure to check out our other self-training videos and resources for more help with your Cengage digital products.